For the time where your car suddenly breaks down and you need money to fix the brake pads. For the time where your little one needs a doctor's appointment, but you don't have money for consultation. You need a budget to allocate and plan for such unforeseen circumstances. My name is Timelo from Key Wealth, and I'll be taking you through budgeting. Budgeting is making a plan or allocating resources on how you're going to spend your money. There are two fundamentals about a budget. You need to do a budget before payday, and you need to have the financial discipline to do the budget. Now, the budget is divided into three segments. The first part is the income. When we talk about income, we're talking about your streams of money. Do you get money from your salary? Do you get money from selling stuff, such as perfumes, clothing? Or do you get money from baking or a part-time job? And then the second part is where we talk about expenses, which are subdivided into two as well. Under expenses, this is where we say where your money goes or how you spend your money. We have the essential and non-essential. When we talk about essential expenses, we're basically talking about expenses that are of paramount priority and they remain unchanged in most cases. Examples of these are your groceries, money to pay rent, transport, the DSTV subscription, internet, money to pay utilities, money to pay medical aid, and also we have insurance policies or life covers and pension, just to name a few. And then we have non-essential expenses. These are expenses that you don't necessarily have to pay every month. And we tell you that in these expenses, they change from time to time. The other subsection under expenses is emergency fund. We tell you that there are unforeseen circumstances that you might not necessarily always foresee, but you need to budget for them. This is where you put money aside every month to cater for such situations. For example, the car breakdown I told you about when I started. That doctor's consultation I told you about. And unfortunately, even in times of death. We also learn under the budget that saving should be a ritual that you do every month. There needs to be money set aside to your savings account that will ultimately go to your investments in the long run. After everything is said and done, you look at your expenses in its entirety, add them up, you subtract them from all the income that you get, and you're able to see if you are making a surplus or a deficit every month. Any negative amount after that mathematical exercise means you are making a loss, or you need more money, or you need to cut on your expenses in order to meet your income. That is all we have for you on budgeting. Now, these are the takeaway points that you need to note. A budget is an exercise you need to do every month before you get your income. After you spend your money, compare what you spent with the budget and make sure it becomes a part of you in order to improve your financial literacy and financial wellness. Unlocking your financial success. Key Wealth. Thank you.
Contact us on 398-0321 or drop us an email at info@keywealth.co.bw and check our website on www.keywealth.co.bw. Key Wealth, unlocking your financial success.